remind yung sarili ko na at the end of the day, at the end of all those hardships, at the end of everything that you've been through, meron at meron pa rin good things that will happen. God has a reason kung bakit nangyari to. And actually, I did this vlog, ay medyo mahaba siya, pasensya na kayo. Usually short na lang ginagawa ko. Pero, I did this vlog kasi...
Oh, hi, babies! Ah! It's me, Daniela. DANI for short. And we are checking here going to Aloha Falls. Lab. Kanina na-realize namin na dapat pala hindi Aerox binili namin mga motor. Kung ito pala yung trip namin, dapat nag-ATV pala kami. Mali ako nang nadampot na tsinelas, guys. Yung wedge yung nakuha ko. Mahirap tuloy ako maglakad kasi madulas. Nasanay siguro ako na ito yung una kong dinadampot. Uy, lolo ko! Lumipad! Rinig na rinig yung hinga ko, no? Naka-mic na ako, eh. Ano ba yun? Tarik! Nalobat yung mic ko. So, audio muna tayo ng phone today. For today's video. Aray, kinig mo lakat! Doon mababa yung mga hikers. Grabe. Dalawa kasi yung daan dito. Isang for hiking, isang for trekking. Itong dinadaanan namin, this is for trekking. So pag wala kang motor, ang trail ay 45 minutes. Pero if may motor ka, nasa 30 minutes. Pero kaya daw itong gawin ng mga 20. Kaya lang syempre, may hika ako. So I have asthma. So medyo mabagal yung progress. But I still love going to the falls and doing these things. You know why? Because I would like to remind myself, especially in my current situation right now, na kahit slow yung progress, mahirap yung dadaanan, maraming pagsubok, mahaba yung daan, pero at the end of the day, all your hardships, all your sacrifices, all the things that you tried to do and gave your best, ay na-rewarded ka into this beautiful reward. Look at that.
Kaya okay lang yan. Dadaanan nga ngayon, ganoon talaga. Marami tayong pagdadaanan in our life that are hardships. Yan. Pero, at the end of the day, you will still be rewarded. Basta, nagsumikap ka to be there. Basta, you did your best. Basta, you prayed for it. And once you get that reward, mag-enjoy ka na lang kasi ang ganda talaga. Diba? Very rewarding.
Ito yung tour guide namin, oh. Kamay ka! Ginagawa mo, love? Baka may?
Ginto. Hi! So, I would just like to share that actually currently I'm having a little problem with my throat. I actually don't know if you can hear me. Nagdala ko ng mic pero nalubat kasi siya. Hindi ko pala na-charge. But I'll try to cancel the noise na lang in CapCut. But I posted about it that I'm actually having a problem medical problem in my throat that prevents me to even sing and speak. And I just had my laryngoscopy last Friday. So, nagpa-laryngoscopy ako. And nalaman na yung analysis, yung diagnosis actually. Kasi nagpa-analyze ako Wednesday and then na-diagnose na ako last Friday. And I can say that actually it's a heartbreak for me, especially that I am a singer and also a teacher. But currently, I just don't want to talk about that anymore. So maybe let's stick to that I have a problem in my throat. Ayoko siyang pag-usapan kasi bakit nga ba ayoko siyang pag-usapan? Basta ayoko siya pag-usapan. I'll talk about it once na it's healed or once may resolution na siya. But currently, my doctor says that we'll try to see the improvement in 1 month. So, in 1 month, I have a medicine for the acid kasi yun yung nagtitrigger, yung acid. And then also, wala pong gamot here in the voice. What you can only do is a voice rest. So, he told me na kailangan ko mag-voice rest for at least 1 month. And then after that, we'll see if there's improvement. So, that is also the reason why nagpaalam na po muna ako for now sa Adlaw. Sabi ko, sana 1 month lang. Tapos, balik na. Pero, we'll see. I also hope na 1 month lang siya. And also, yesterday, kumanta rin ako. Actually, for the first time, I seated singing in CAC Coral. First time kong maupo sa semicircle. Usually, mass lang siya or bigla ang performances, nakatayo. Pero, to be part of that semicircle, especially nakaupo, ewan ko, it has been my dream since I was CAC Coral team. And yesterday, nakaupo ako with them. So, nakasama ko sila in that semicircle. Kahit na fogged yung utak ko, I still tried my best to learn the pieces kahit lahat bago in me. So, lahat-lahat siya bago. I tried my best kasi kahit ganito yung situation ko, ayoko actually na mag-quit bigla. Kasi I really, really dreamed about that. And I really, really want that. So, bata pa ako. Tapos, I was given a solo pa in the entrance hymn, Psalm 100. Kahit na ganito yung situation ko, I did my best. I did my best there and I am so very, very happy and I'm so very honored na pinagtiwalaan nila ako even though medyo may problem na ako sa throat. So, it's an honor for me kasi I never had a solo in CAC Coral and nagka-solo ako yesterday. But it's actually a little sad kasi nag-start din yung bagong generation ng CAC Coral. Nag-practice na sila yesterday for the first time. Pero hindi muna ako sumama sa semicircle kasi I have the rest. So, kakaupo ko lang, kakakuha ko lang ng solo, kakabalik ko lang in choral singing, but I have to stop again. But still, I tried my best. I still did my part. I still showed up. Yun naman minsan yung mas mahalaga. Wait, may lang daw. Na-distract ako. Yun naman yung mahalaga. And also, yun, on Monday, today is Sunday. So, on Monday, I will talk to my school dahil nga I'm a teacher on what we will do and what adjustments we can make. Kasi ayoko din namang iwan yung teaching. Kasi teaching is really my dream. And I really can't. Paano ba to? Mahal ko kasi yung mga estudyante. I really love my students. I really love my students. So, I don't want to quit teaching. Kahit sabi ng doctor, maybe teaching is not for me. But it's my dream. And I don't want to quit it. Also, singing. Ayoko rin mawala yung time. Dumating sa time na I can't sing. I mean, I can sing, but I can't sing the way I used to sing. And also, ngayon nga, Sunday, punta kami dito to remind myself, kahit ayan, umuulan na, maybe magkakasakit ako after dito. Pero, so i-remind yung sarili ko na at the end of the day, at the end of all those friendships, at the end of everything that you've been through, meron at meron pa rin good things that will happen. God has a reason kung bakit nangyari to. And actually, I did this vlog, ay medyo mahaba siya, pasensya na kayo. Usually short pala yung ginagawa ko. Pero, I did this vlog kasi this will be also my last for now na may voice over, na marinig yung voice ko. Mga susunod siguro, puro montage lang and all. So, I still tried my best. So, I would also like to thank my mommy na kahit nilakad siya nung talagang ano siya for my laryngoscopy. Kahit di niya maintindihan nung bakit ako humahagulgol. Also to Aldo, ayan din siya. Na laging nandyan for me. Hindi niya alam na like, kausap ko ngayon. And also to my friends, especially Ate Jeline and Kuya Lester na laging nag-show up. Nung sabi ko, last gig ko na nagulat ako, they are there. Also to Luke, na who tried his best na makapunta but still giving me or keeping me in touch in messages, and especially Coco. I hope you're watching this, Coco. I love you so much, Coco. So, ngayon niya lang din ako nakita na parang binabagsak ko ng problema. Usually kasi I'm very strong. Actually ngayon, I'm trying to be strong, pero it's really hard. Really hard na ganito yung situation because my dream is really to be a teacher and also a singer, tapos ngayon may problema yung throat ko. And also to my friends na kasama ko ng mga nakaraan recently. Siyempre, lalo ni kauwi lang si Brian, ayan. Si CJ na laging nandyan, always present. And then si Denzel, nakasama din namin yesterday. Si Ian, nakasama namin yesterday. Cyrus, si Kyle, nakasama namin before. And also sa mga hindi namin masyadong nakasama. Ayan. Also pala si Justin. Ayan, kasama din namin sa madalas. Pero yun, syempre, things are happening. Also kasama ko siya sa Adlaw. Also sa mga yun nga, hindi ko mga nakasama. Sila Jericho, Eugene, ayan, si Klein na nasa ibang bansa na. So I hope kasama-sama ulit tayo in the future. Baka after ng mga kaganapan sa ating mga life. And also to my other friends na hindi ko na mga nabanggit, syempre thank you so much pa rin po sa lahat ng mga bibigay na get well messages and all. To all my bandmates, Adlaw, ayan, na lagi nakasupport. And also sa mga kasama namin nagigig na mga banda na talagang nagchat-chat and nangangamusta. Sorry kung hindi ko yung kayo nare-replyan kasi sometimes I don't want to talk about it. Kahit sa friends ko, I don't want to talk about it. I just want to grasp the situation and maybe talk about it once I recovered. Siguro yung paano yung naging journey and all. So I hope you'll understand. And sabi nga, God gave us these talents. God gave us the voice. God gave us the gift to teach, the gift to sing. So He expects that we will take care of it. So, I think I learned my lesson that rest is really important. Kahit kaya ng katawan mo, kahit kaya ko mag-time management, kahit kaya kong lahat, there is one thing that will suffer. And unfortunately, and it's heartbreaking, but currently it's my place. So, still, see you around. I'll be still in a lot of gigs to watch, not to sing anymore. And also, sa school, yan, andyan pa rin naman ako. We will try to communicate. And kung mayroon man kayong mga others, pasensya na ako, hindi ko kayo manireplyan sa iba. Pero I'm trying my best to cope up. And after everything else na nasettle ko na lahat, I will rest for a month. So I hope kaya ko na ulit. Makaka-recover ako after a month. In Jesus' name, I have faith in Him. I'll do my best. I'll do my part. But still, it's His decision. Kung ano man yung will niya, it's His decision. So, I'll still do my best. And I hope to see you again in Monday. Bye!